Arimi a mbembe mwaka uyu ni megukorwo na nduruhi kuona mathogora ma mbembe ni megukorwo mari iguru hanini ukiringithanio na miaka iri ingi thutha wa kimera mwaka uyu gukorwo kigomeirwo ni ithingithi.
I wish to therefore announce that the purchase price of a 90 kilogram bag of maize to NCPB will be Kenya shillings 3,200 with effect from Monday 16 October 2017.
Thengia ya macio Minister wa urimi Willy Bett aroiga magetha ma mbembe mwaka uyu ni merĩgĩrĩirwo kũgũa na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 4.4 harĩ igana na harĩa bũrũri ũratanya kũgetha ngũnia milioni 37.9 mũgarũ na itanya rĩa ngũnia milioni 40.
The decline in overall production was attributed to reduction in area under maize by 5.1%. Late rainfall onset coupled with long dry spell mid-season and fall armyworm invasion are some of the causes. The expected harvest from North Rift will move to replenish and further boost the needed stocks beginning from mid-October through to December 2017 and also ease any anticipated shortages.
Ona gutaria uguo Bett arauga undu uyu ndugukorwo kiambatiria thogora wa mutu kuma hari ori ndagika-ini ino akiuga mubango wa thirikari wa kuheana mutu wa raithi no guthie na mbere kinya riria uingi wa magetho gakorwo kigomania mabataro.
The expected harvest from the North Rift between October and December is projected to yield 14 million 90 kilogram bags. The current stocks and projected harvest will therefore be sufficient to meet national demands up to the end of the year. And from the maize balance sheet, a surplus of 10.3 million bags will be carried over to 2018.
Nginyanagia riu ithabu ria andu aria makoreirwo maitho ni ng'aragu guku bururi-ini ikinya iria andu milioni 3.5 namba nene ya wari muingi kuma kaunti-ini iria ikoragwo igomeirwo muno ni umu.